Today I am going to prepare egg curry. Take eggs and boil. Take a pan, add oil, onions, tomatoes, green chilies, garlic, spices. Fry until it becomes brown color. And we are taking this all fried vegetable and spices into mixer jar. Grind it, it becomes paste. In the same pan, oil, salt, red chili powder, turmeric, boiled eggs, fry it 5 minutes. Take it aside. Now taking pan, adding butter and adding spices and onions. Fry it until become brown color and add grinded masala into it. And we are adding some more water and chili powder, garam masala, salt, red chili powder. Mix it well and finally we are adding egg into it and we have to cook 10 minutes. And later finally we are adding coriander leaves. Mix it well and leave it 5 minutes. Now egg curry is ready to have.